In this video, we are going to prove this relationship of ab square plus bc square is equal to ac square, or the Pythagorean theorem that you might be familiar with, which is notated generally as a square plus b square is equal to c square, which is basically this thing. I just represented that in this. You can see that ab square, which is this length, plus bc square, which is this length, is equal to ac square, which is your hypotenuse length squared. So that's your Pythagorean theorem, and we are going to prove that using a concept in maths you call the similarity. So with this in triangle, with this concept using triangles, we are going to prove the Pythagorean theorem, and you have to construct this BD, right? This BD you have to construct, which is perpendicular to your hypotenuse AC in this case, which is drawn from your 90-degree angle of your triangle ABC. So construct this and you can prove this. Okay, let's go ahead and prove this. You can see this angle C is common to triangle ABC and this triangle, and also 90 degrees here, and there's also our 90 degrees of triangle ABC. So from that we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC using a similarity. From that we can see that this BC and BC, right? So from that I can see that BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. From that, by rearranging, I can get BC squared is equal to DC times AC. Alright, that's cool. So similarly, just what we did, we can also find this triangle is similar to our triangle ABC. So let's go ahead and quickly write that ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Alright, A by A similarity, again A similarity. Alright, so from that I can find that our AB by AD is equal to okay, so AC by AB. Okay, just rearranging, I'll find that AB squared is equal to AD times AC. I'll put this as equation 1 and I'll put this as equation 2. From this I will add equation 1 and 2. So with doing that, I'll just add up our left hand side of equation 1 and 2, which is AB squared plus BC squared, which is equal to DC times AC. Sorry, let's just have the continuity, which is AD times EC is plus DC times AC. Alright, AC is common, let's distribute that out. AC times AD plus DC, that's equal to our AB squared plus BC squared, and we can find that AD plus DC is basically AC. We can represent it as AC. We are only getting to AC, so representing this is AC is correct. So we can say that AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC times the AC. This is AC, and from that we can find that AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC squared. Yeah, hence proved. Cool. So yeah, therefore Pythagorean theorem is proved with similarity concept in triangles. So that's all for the proof of our dear Pythagorean theorem that we have been using for a long time using similarity, and this is one of my favorite proofs of Pythagorean theorem. And if you have any other proof that you think it's much easier and cool, please let me know. And yeah, that's all for similarity proof for Pythagorean theorem. That's all. Thanks for watching.